In today's fast-paced world, men's sexual health often takes a backseat to other priorities. Yet the importance of proper penile care cannot be overstated. From basic hygiene practices to lifestyle choices, every decision we make impacts our sexual well-being. Today, we'll explore 6 essential care tips that every man needs to know, backed by scientific research and medical expertise. Have you ever wondered what it really takes to keep your penis healthy? I want to hear from you. Hit the subscribe button, and let's start with hygiene, perhaps the most fundamental aspect of penile care. Despite living in an era of advanced healthcare, many men still struggle with proper cleaning techniques. The penis requires daily attention, but not excessive cleaning that might disrupt its natural bacterial balance. Use warm water and mild, unscented soap, paying particular attention to the glands and for uncircumcised men beneath the foreskin. Studies show that proper hygiene can prevent up to 80% of common penile infections. Interestingly, the relationship between hygiene and sexual health goes beyond preventing infections. Regular cleaning helps maintain sensitivity and can enhance sexual pleasure. However, there's a common misconception that more cleaning equals better health. Overwashing can strip the penis of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. The key is finding the right balance. Moving on to our second tip, maintaining proper blood flow. The penis is essentially a vascular organ, and its health depends significantly on good circulation. Regular exercise, particularly cardiovascular activities, plays a crucial role here. Research indicates that men who engage in at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise weekly have a 30% lower risk of developing erectile dysfunction compared to sedentary individuals. But it's not just about exercise. Proper blood flow also depends on what you eat. A diet rich in nitrate-containing foods like beetroot, leafy greens, and citrus fruits can enhance blood flow to the penis. These foods contain compounds that convert to nitric oxide in the body, a molecule crucial for maintaining erections. Studies show that men who follow a Mediterranean-style diet, rich in these foods, report better sexual function and satisfaction. The third essential tip involves protection during sexual activity. While this might seem obvious, the statistics are alarming. According to recent studies, only about 33% of sexually active men consistently use protection during casual encounters. This isn't just about preventing STIs. It's about protecting the delicate tissues of the penis from potential trauma and infection. Speaking of trauma, let's address a topic that's often overlooked: the importance of proper lubrication. Insufficient lubrication during sexual activity can lead to microscopic tears in the penile tissue, increasing the risk of infection and potentially leading to more serious conditions like Peyronie's disease. Using appropriate water-based lubricants can reduce friction and prevent these injuries. Our fourth tip focuses on temperature regulation. The testicles sit inside the body for a reason. They need to maintain a temperature slightly lower than body temperature for optimal sperm production. Wearing tight underwear, sitting for prolonged periods, or exposing the genitals to high temperatures can impact fertility and overall penile health. Studies show that men who regularly wear loose-fitting underwear have up to 25% higher sperm counts than those who don't. Temperature regulation extends beyond clothing choices. Hot tubs, laptop used directly on the lap, and even certain exercises can raise scrotal temperature. While occasional exposure isn't typically harmful, prolonged exposure to higher temperatures can affect both sperm production and testosterone levels. The fifth tip involves stress management and its impact on sexual health. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which can suppress testosterone production and affect sexual function. Research indicates that men experiencing high stress levels are 3 times more likely to report sexual dysfunction compared to those with lower stress levels. Implementing stress reduction techniques like meditation, regular exercise, and adequate sleep can significantly improve sexual health. Studies show that men who get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep have testosterone levels up to 15% higher than those who don't. Additionally, practices like mindfulness meditation have been shown to reduce performance anxiety and improve sexual satisfaction. Now for our bonus tip, which might surprise you: the importance of regular self-examination. Just as women are encouraged to perform breast self-exams, men should regularly examine their genitals for any changes. This includes looking for unusual lumps, changes in color or texture, and any persistent pain or discomfort. Early detection of potential issues can lead to more effective treatment outcomes. Many men feel uncomfortable discussing sexual health concerns with healthcare providers, but regular checkups are crucial. Statistics show that men who have regular urological checkups are more likely to catch potential issues early and maintain better sexual health throughout their lives. Let's also address the impact of lifestyle choices on penile health. Smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and recreational drug use can all negatively affect sexual function. Smokers are twice as likely to develop erectile dysfunction compared to non-smokers, while heavy alcohol use can lead to both temporary and long-term sexual performance issues. Diet plays a crucial role too. Foods high in processed sugars and unhealthy fats can lead to reduced blood flow and increased inflammation throughout the body, including the penis. On the other hand, foods rich in antioxidants, lean proteins, and healthy fats can promote better sexual health and function. The relationship between mental health and sexual function cannot be overstated. Depression and anxiety can significantly impact libido and sexual performance. Studies show that up to 82% of persons experience some form of sexual dysfunction. Seeking professional help for mental health concerns is just as important as addressing physical health issues. Regular exercise deserves special mention. Beyond improving cardiovascular health, certain exercises can directly benefit sexual function. Kegel exercises, for instance, can strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, potentially improving erectile function and bladder control. Research indicates that men who regularly perform these exercises report improved sexual performance and satisfaction. Hydration is another often overlooked aspect of penile health. Proper hydration helps maintain blood volume and promotes good circulation. Dehydration can lead to reduced blood flow and potentially affect erectile function. The recommendation is to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily, adjusting for activity level and climate. Environmental factors also play a role in penile health. Exposure to certain chemicals, excessive heat, and radiation can affect both sexual function and fertility. Men working in certain industries or exposed to specific environmental factors should take extra precautions to protect their reproductive health. Remember, sexual health is an integral part of overall well-being. The tips we've discussed today aren't just about maintaining sexual function, they're about promoting overall health and quality of life. By implementing these practices, you're investing in your long-term health and well-being. The journey to better sexual health is ongoing. It requires consistency, awareness, and a willingness to address concerns promptly. Don't hesitate to seek professional guidance when needed, and remember that taking care of your sexual health is a crucial aspect of self-care. Thank you for watching this comprehensive guide to penile care. If you found this information valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Share this video with others who might benefit from this information, and don't forget to leave your comments below. Also check out our next video on Don't Take Revenge on Your Ex. Try this instead. Until next time, take care of yourself and stay healthy.